Hi everybody, my name is Jasmine. That's my boo Kyle behind the camera, and welcome to JNK's Kitchen. Today we're doing our version of a seafood boil. Our ingredients are Cajun sausage, butter, potatoes, red potatoes, lemon, crab meat, shrimp, corn, broccoli, water, garlic powder, minced garlic, Old Bay, sazon, chili powder, lemon pepper, and onion powder.
Cool. How long does it take?
It should take less than 2 hours to make, so it shouldn't take long. We spent less than $50, so if you're on a budget, this is a good meal to make. We're just gonna sear our sausage with butter and garlic, and just turn the stove on. I'll use about a tablespoon. And you add your sausage in. I have 4 of these cut up. You can add one for now. And just let it cook. Oh, pop on my neck. Grease popped on my neck.
When do you know that the sausage is done?
You'll know when the sausage is done when it starts to turn brown on both sides, when it starts to get a sear on it, when it has that look on both sides. Okay, our sausage is just about done, so I'm going to take it out of the frying pan. Once your sausage is added to your boiling pot, then you can add your corn and your broccoli. Next, you can add your potatoes and your lemon, your water. Once all of your ingredients are in the pot, you can turn your fire on. You can put it on medium to high heat.
Do you want to season it?
2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 1 tablespoon. I messed up. Oh, boom! I keep messing up. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Ooh, that's like a lot. I'll do about 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just to add that extra garlic taste. 2 teaspoons of Old Bay. One more for good luck. A tablespoon of butter. A tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 sazon packets, I almost forgot. Mix everything up. So while our seafood boil is boiling, we can cook our crab meat. We're just gonna have this as an extra little clump of meat on top of the boil, just so it won't get soggy. We're gonna cook it separate. While you're cooking your crab meat, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and you can add your garlic. Never mind about that one.
Lost one.
You just want to cook your crab meat until it gets a nice sear. You want to add about 2 teaspoons of Old Bay, about 2 teaspoons of garlic. This garlic powder is so good. Now that our potatoes are soft, we are going to add our shrimp. These are peeled, washed and peeled. We're going to cook our shrimp for about 10 minutes. And then once that's cooked, we'll be done. Our seafood boil is finished, so now we're just gonna make our bowl. So do you like everything?
It's delicious. It was really good. Even not bad.